everybody. We are making salsa. Not that kind of salsa. Alright, so we're going to do a real quick basic salsa, and why? Because I'm making tacos de lengua over there, which you'll see on another video, so you can check that out. But we want some salsa to go with it, and instead of buying some store-bought salsa, I'm going to make a very basic, very simple salsa. It's really easy to do at the house, and it's amazing how many of my friends don't know how to actually make salsa. So we're going to start with some diced tomatoes. I freshly diced these tomatoes, just chopped them up really small. You can use pretty much any tomato that you want to use. We're going to add some diced jalapeno. Now, if you don't like spicy and jalapeno is too much for you, then you can chop up some bell pepper or something like that and substitute it in. You could adjust whatever pepper you want that meets your spice tolerance or requirements, whatever that might be. I usually like jalapenos. So I've got some really fine and small chopped onion. We're going to add that in. I got some minced up garlic. We're going to add that in. And last but not least, we are going to add a little cilantro. Now, cilantro is also another thing that's optional. Let me set this over here so you can see what I'm doing. Cilantro is another thing that's kind of optional. Some people actually have a genetic thing where cilantro tastes like soap to them. So if you don't want to throw in cilantro, you don't have to. It's your salsa. You make it however you want to make it. But this is a basic salsa fresca. And we're going to put this in the cilantro in the salsa. And it doesn't take a lot of cilantro. You don't really have to go nuts with it. Cilantro can have a very strong flavor, so you don't really want it to take over your salsa. Alright, so chopped up a bit of cilantro in there. Now, one of the things I would do on the truck, because of being keto, to add some more fat in my diet, I might add a little MCT oil. And this base salsa, you can make it just about any way you want to do it. If you're not keto, you can add mango or some other type of fruit. You could add some avocado to it if you want. So I just rolled a lime to kind of squish it up a little bit and loosen up the juices. I got my little lime squeezer right here. And we're just going to squeeze that in there. Bit of lime juice. And I like to use one whole lime. One of my friends does not like a lot of lime, so he puts in like a half. So I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder, just to add a bit of zest. Okay. And last thing I'm going to add is just basically some salt and pepper. Now, you're going to stir this up, and you can eat it right away if you want to. You can have it right off the bat, but I really find that it is best after it sits in the fridge for at least an hour. And those flavors have a chance to marry up a bit. All right, everybody. Have a good one. That was the salsa video. Carrie's forcing me to dance. You don't see what she's doing off camera.